Hi guys, welcome to my channel and welcome back to a new video. So today in this video we're going to talk about tubebuddy. Tubebuddy is also a SEO app for YouTube. For doing SEO of YouTube videos, you can use tubebuddy app and extension. So let's start the video. Since its early days, YouTube has helped several creators build successful filmmaking careers, and among younger generations, being a YouTuber is one of the most desirable job aspirations. Growing a channel takes a lot of work, but you will find plenty of tools to help you. One of the most popular solutions for growing a YouTube channel is TubeBuddy. You will gain access to several features using a platform and valuable insights that you might never have thought of. What exactly is TubeBuddy? How does it work? And why should you consider using it? Let's find out what is TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is a browser extension the company launched in December 2014 and aims to provide YouTubers with the tools they needed to grow their channels. You can research specific topic ideas with the platform and optimize your content appropriately. Once you have created the initial video, at the time of writing in August 2022, millions of YouTubers use TubeBuddy. How much does TubeBuddy cost? TubeBuddy has multiple pricing tiers. At the most basic level, you can use the free version. The edition gives you access to tag ranking, and you can also use the keyword and search explorer tools is in a limited capacity. If you want to perform free keyword research for YouTube, it it a viable option. For YouTuber who wants more tools to grow their channel, one of TubeBuddy paid pricing plan will probably work better. TubeBuddy Standard is the cheapest paid subscription which costs around about $5 per month. With TubeBuddy Standard you can generate thumbnail and plan video topics plus more. Enhanced is the next tier up and it costs 9.49 per month. You can add end screen templates, gain access to SEO Studio, and enjoy various other features. Ultimate is the most expensive price tier for $24 per month. You can bulk copy card, publish on Facebook, and more. If you have under 1,000 subscribers, you can get a discount on annual plans. What can you do with TubeBuddy? Now that you know what TubeBuddy is and how much it costs, let's look at the platform best feature. Below are the selection of most tiers to help grow your YouTube channel. Auto translation. When you start a YouTube channel, you might have a big ambition to reach people in multiple countries, and once you begin gaining traction, you might find that translating your content into other languages is the best way to do it. TubeBuddy has auto translate tool lets you do if for this for your description and titles without requiring most efforts. As such, you will reach a much bigger audience than if you remained monolingual. Number two, research topic keyword. YouTube search engine works similarly to Google. The only difference is you are looking exclusively for videos using the right keyword is essential for breaking through the noise, and TubeBuddy has various tools to help you in this respect. You can track multiple keywords. If you purchase a higher license than the standard version, you will find it much easier to optimize your content accordingly, which in turn will give you more attention. TubeBuddy also offers keyword ranking reports to help you visualize of this data better. Split test your video content. In your early days as a YouTube, you should not think too much about the monetization. Instead, your primary objective is to figure out what does and what does not work for you. A by B testing your content is regularly the best way to do this. TubeBuddy has various tools to help you split test your content optimization before uploading it. You can use the tool to determine which titles would work best and ensure that your description is ideal. You can choose to run metadata test and thumbnail click-through rate test